Is NADULA hair worth it? Is NADULA hair all that? Girl. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you like this wig, I just did a review on it. This is not NADULA hair. This cranberry hair. It'll be up in the cards. I did an unboxing and a review on it. But today I'll be unboxing my NADULA hair body wave wig. Now, I do have a NADULA hair review on my channel. It's the body wave bundles. And I like the bundles. They was good. But I didn't like how thin the bundles were. And I said I probably won't buy body wave hair from NADULA again, but AliExpress just had a sale, March 27th. They had a really good sale. Like, let me give y'all the details on this wig. And my camera about to die. My camera's on like 50%, and that's like really low to me. So let me hurry up. I'm almost there. Okay, so I have. Oh, I thought I got longer than that. So I got 180 density, 18 inches. I could have sworn I ordered longer inches than that, but okay. And I got 13 by 4 transparent lace. And the wig was $108. So that's a good price. 18 inch, $108, that's good. But let's get to shopping, child. This wig came yesterday, and y'all, I wanted to open it so freaking bad. Like, you know when you get something, you just want to see it. Even if you're not going to wear it or use it, you just want to see it. So it took a lot of discipline for me to not open this wig. There's nothing left in the box. Well, I hope y'all didn't just see my freaking address. So I don't remember they box looking like this. I got to get a thumbnail. Hold up. But this how the box look. When I ordered my hair from them, which was like December-ish, I don't remember the box looking like this. Like, this look good. How do you push it out? What's going on, box? I don't know how to open this. Do you just push it through? Okay. Oh. I'm so dumb. It's tape right there. It's tape. Okay, so let me untape it and cut the tape. And then you can push it out, I guess. I don't freaking know. This ain't gonna work. I'm gonna use this razor stick to get it. And like in this video, I'm not gonna be installing it because I obviously have a different wig on my head. I'm gonna do a separate video of me probably bleaching the knots and plucking the lace. Ooh, okay, so. Oh, I got it open, girl. Ooh. Okay. I think I know what this is. This is a bonnet because I have a pink bonnet from the, okay, yeah. I have this pink bonnet from the body wave hair, so they sent your girl another bonnet. I like the bonnet actually, so I might use it. Might not, whatever. Oh, ooh, girl. What is this? This is an elastic band. I'm glad I did an unboxing on this. Oh. Oh. Okay. So, this is, I guess it's like a bra strap, but how do you attach it? Okay. What is this? I think you just attach them like this. And then you attach this, and then I don't know how this works. I'm not gonna even act like I know how this works, but I will use it though. I don't know how, but how do you connect it? Oh, it connects to the wig, duh. Oh, I just had a moment there. Okay. Then they gave me a black wig cap. I Won't be using the black wig cap, but thank you for the wig cap, I guess. And that's all that's in the box. So let me throw the box over there. Ooh, I'm so excited about this wig. It's crazy. Like, it would say made in China. All this coronavirus stuff going on, I don't know. But it did give me the option to either ship it from China or the US, and I did click ship from the US. So I don't know, whatever. But I've been seeing like so much about NADULA hair. Is NADULA hair worth it? Is NADULA hair all that? Girl, just order the dang on hair and see for yourself, because at the end of the day, like, most of these companies get their hair from the same people. Girl, what's going on? Okay, so these baby, who did this? Who did this? Okay, so off bat, I see that all of this wig is not 18 inches. The top is probably a 14 or a 16 inch, and I hate when companies do that. I didn't order a 14, 16 inch hair. I ordered 18 inch, so the whole wig should be 18 inches. Like, this part is way shorter than that part, and I get it, because you know, people cut their wigs in layers anyway, so you probably want layers in your wig. But I didn't want y'all to do that for me. I wanted to do that myself, because as you can see, this stop all the way up here, and then it goes straight down here. Like, it's not even. And when you cut layers, you kind of do it in an even way. So I don't like that. NADULA, don't do that no more. Stop doing it. It looked like these, I don't know. It looked like the wig is already kind of bleached already, but I just like to bleach my own knots. And this is how the inside of the wig is looking. It's a lot of parting space. Like, that's a lot of parting space. Let me try to part it. I am planning on doing a side part, because I just like side parts better. Yeah. Let me try to show y'all how this wig looking. And somebody commented on my video when I did like a review on their bundles, because she ordered some bundles. And she was just talking about how her wig have some flyaways and stuff. And, you know, I wanted to really review. You can't even really see the freaking part that I just tried to make. Can y'all see that? So I'm obviously going to have to bleach the knots. They look kind of bad. They like, you know what? Do y'all know what knots are? Like, for the longest, I really didn't know what YouTubers was talking about when they was talking about bleaching the knots. Can y'all see that? It's like those black dots. I hope y'all can see that, but anyways, this looks like a regular body wave wig. It looked like it got a whole lot of body in it. And for the bundles, I did say that, like, when I would walk out the house, the hair would just fall, even though I just curled it. But this looked like it got a whole lot of body. Like, I'm here for this. Yes, I am here for this. I needed like a real good solid body wave wig. And then it looks thick. Like, it don't look too thin. Like, I feel like if I straighten this, it's not going to be super thin. And I'm here for that too. So I'm ready to wear this wig. I'm definitely going to do a video of me bleaching the knots. It don't look bad, but it could be better. And I'm going to cut these combs out, because I don't like having combs in my wigs. I'm obviously gonna fix these baby hairs, because y'all know why I'm gonna fix the baby hairs. But overall, I like the thickness of it. I don't like the way it smells too much, but yeah, it's not coffee, like coffee beans, and like that weird, you know, that weird hair smell that every wig or every bundle have. But overall, the hair look like it got a little bit of body. Like, I'm here for this. It look thick. It looks thick. So I'm gonna bleach the knots, I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna customize the frontal to my liking. Here's like more of the frontal. I'm gonna customize this frontal to my liking, and then I'm gonna do a review or like some video. I'm gonna do a video of me installing it, and then probably after 30 days I'll do a review. But that's really it. I just wanted to record myself unboxing it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I actually kind of like this, y'all. I hope this is a good wig. It looked like it's gonna be a good wig. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias. It'll be right here. I was gonna get medium brown lace, but I don't know. Like, usually when I was watching NADULA hair videos, a lot of the people got transparent lace. So I'm like, must be a reason why all these people got transparent lace, and I'm not gonna be the dumb one to get medium brown lace. If that lace looks stupid, I'm gonna be mad. So I'm glad I got transparent lace because it don't look bad. I really like this body, y'all. Do y'all see this? This is body. But yeah, I'm gonna customize this wig, and I'm gonna record the whole bleaching and plucking the knots process. Bleaching the knots and plucking the lace process, because I mean, why not? It's a lot of videos like that, but I don't care because I want to have one on my channel. And I'm gonna do a side part because I love a good side part. Yeah, overall, what I don't like is the fact that the whole wig isn't the same length, because even if I wanted layers, I wanted to cut the layers myself. And as you can see, this stops right here. And then this part goes all the way to 18 inches. So I don't like that. But what I do like about it is how thick it is and the body that it has. I just can't stop touching it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little something with this wig. And in about probably like a week, I'll be back to review it. Not review it, to install it. And what else do I want to say? Yeah, I guess that's it, sis. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I probably already said that because I've been procrastinating a little bit. But if you like this wig, then get into these details. I love this wig. I just did an install of it on my channel, so go watch that. I'm done. Thank you. Goodbye, sis. Bye.